Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the fabulous British bar, Tommy's Bar, as well as the Alpha Apartments and of course the Rio Park Hotel. It is currently about 23 minutes past 1 here in Benidorm, and I think the temperature's about 30 degrees today. I mean, may even be hotter than that. As we've said on the streams, next few days you will be seeing upwards of 40. I mean, a few days ago, Scooter Sue's in about 37 degrees, and that were on 6 o'clock in the evening, not coming up end of the day. So yeah. There she is, Scooter Sue, looking very hot. And I don't mean hot as in beautiful, I mean hot as in hot. It is generally a scorcher today. With any luck, we'll be able to go swimming today, hopefully. If not, it may be filling up the bath with cold water and pretend that's the swimming pool. Doubt I'll be able to do any laps in it, but at least I'll be cool at this hot weather. Let's get a pass. So, you've probably heard about Tommy's Bar from watching our videos, because I do sort of mention it a lot, to be honest, because it is a generally good bar. Karaoke most of the night, or singers welcome. The best karaoke in town as well, apparently. Live sports shown on the big screen as well.
They are
Brilliant.
showing the England match.
Yeah,
tonight.
David, I think England match on tonight, like most bars in Benny. Great shows. Kings of Soul, Diana Ross and the Supremes tribute, and a tribute to Kenny Rogers. What the hell is that coming from in Tommy's? They have got some summer cocktails now available. Strawberry mojitos, strawberry daiquiri or pineapple daiquiri. I think that's coming from in there, ain't it? I don't know. Now, we've been going to Tommy's Bar since we sort of first started coming Benidorm, actually, so some good time. And one of the acts we got to know is this brilliant man, Colin Campbell. What can be said about him is, during the show, he will have you laughing non-stop. He is a great live vocalist, and from like going out doing nights out with Colin, quiz nights with Colin, just getting to know him. He's one of the nicest blokes in Benidorm. Absolute love him to bits. I've nicknamed him Uncle Colin, even though he probably will belt me for saying that. And remember, no in ABBA. I don't know why you don't like ABBA, honest to God. I mean, look at some of the stuff he does, guys. Absolute brilliant show. Oh yeah, housey every night, and happy hour all night, 2 for 1 happy hour type thing. Yeah, been countless nights though we've came out a day gone up about 3:30 in the morning, a bit worse for wear. Countless times as well we've even spent Christmas in the Alpha apartments there as well. And of course next door is the Alpha Apartments Cafe. Now I think prices have gone up for sort of summer. Got a daily menu until 8. Mondays to Saturday €6 except for sirloin steak which is €8. Sunday lunch just on Sundays €8. Not bad that. Breakfast 9 to 12, belly butter €5, veggie breakfast £5, regular €3. Cheap as chips, English products, great food, and a barbecue on Wednesdays and Fridays. Can't go wrong, can you? And finally, last on the list of stuff to show you while we're on this road, whatever it's called, Calle Kennedy. That's what it's called. Anyway, the Marmite Hotel. Now I know what you're thinking. The Marmite Hotel? What on earth are you on about, Marcus? Say it.
What on earth are you on about, Marcus?
Like Marmite, you either love it or hate it. Yeah, unlike Marmite, I love Marmite, but I hate this hotel. For reasons I've said time and time and time and time again. They've got the new enclosed smoking area, which I mean, really a waste of time when you've got a sun terrace overlooking the pool. And well, why would you want to sit and have a cigarette in an enclosed area when it's absolutely blooming boiling hot? You wouldn't, would you? Anyway, yeah. All the balconies on site, someone's got an England flag up by looks of it for the footy. So guys, that poses the question, who do you think's going to win the Euros? England or España?
Is England going to get through tonight?
Yeah, do you think England will even make the finals? I mean,
It'll be Spain and Netherlands.
Don't made it this far, England's made it to the semi-finals, so it's about time there's a little mistake and they lose, ain't it? Reception for Rio just under, scooter parking there. So yeah, end of video. Thanks for watching guys, hope you all have a fabulous week. Enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure to smash that like, consider subscribing, share me with your friends, and remember, another day in the office, another day in paradise. Adios.